cheating. That's what I found out.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So what I am going to be doing today is a quick weave. It is very cheap and affordable. So this hair is from Simply Outre. Outre. Whatever it is, it's Simply and is a simple hairstyle. So this is a quick weave that we're going to be doing. Very, very affordable, only $30. So let's just get right into the video. So basically what I am going to be doing is starting off with the longest length. Usually if I do want to do a bob look, I start off with the shortest length and do the longest on top. But because I just want this to be like a regular, natural look, which is okay, I'm going to start off with the longest length. And basically what you do, you just measure each section that you want to glue on, and yeah. Alright guys, so I am getting closer to the top. This is very, 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 very important that when you get to the top that you start to angle the track while you are applying it on to the cap. And yes, this is a molded cap. It has to be molded so your hair will not have glue on it. Just with gel, spritz, hairspray. What I did was just use the Got To Be glue spray in the orange, not the orange, but the yellow can. So yeah, that's what I just used to mold my hair, but it's very important that once you get to the top, always put it on at an angle.
Talking white, I'm running out of time. Talking white, I'm running out of time. Alright guys, so now I have it all in. What I'm gonna do is just curl it and see how the curls feel. I don't know, this hair is still kind of iffy to me, but we'll see what it looks like after I'm done.
Alright, so with this hair, they say that it is okay to put heat up to at least 400 degrees. I never ever go by that. So I am using my flat iron, just going in. I don't want too tight of a curl. But yeah, I'm just using the temperature 350 degrees. This is what it looks like with the curl, and it's alright. You know, we gotta do a little test. You feel me? We gotta know, see if it's. Hold on, I'm gonna just show y'all. I mean, it's alright. It's something quick, you know. So, the good thing is that I have not yet experienced any shedding. I'm running my fingers through it, and I don't see anything coming off. Let me try this side. Off of my hand, so that's the good thing. So none. Yeah, still none. So that's the good thing. The only downfall I would say is that the coconut oil, it kind of makes it kind of stiff.
not stiff, but like when you move it, I feel like I'm kind of, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. But yeah, overall, it's not bad hair at all. I would get it again. Piece of hair. No, probably one away, but I would definitely get it again. I would probably get 2 instead of 1 pack, just because the coconut oil kind of weighs it down, so it looks like a natural look, which is okay. But if you want something kind of full, I would recommend 2 packs for sure. But overall, I feel like it's still slay, okay? So, yes. Name of the hair is simply right here. It says simply. This is in natural black. Once again, it is 10, 12, 14. You can get this from BSW or your local beauty supply store. But yeah. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want more easy, quick, cheap, affordable hairstyle videos, just let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell just so that you can see when I am going to be posting, because I am going to do it once or twice or maybe 3 or 4. You never know how I feel, because I might want to do a whole month. It's like, nah. But yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, and we'll be in another video. Bye.